Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a ladder of staggered DC groups, DC shells you can say. These shells are made with simple 3 DCs and they are staggered row after row. In between them we have the V stitches also. This is a pattern made with V stitches and the DC V stitches and the staggered shells. To make this pattern we require multiples of 10 plus 4 as the foundation chains. This particular piece I made with turquoise blue of Aran yarn, which is premium acrylic anti-pill yarn, medium weight 4 with color code 2008. Okay, I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. I have made 2 repeats of 10 plus 4, 24 chains. To begin with, make a DC double in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4th chain from the hook. And the stitch repeat over here is chain 3, skip the 4 chains, single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets in the next. So chain 3, skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th chain, make a single crochet, chain 3, 3 doubles the same stitch, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chain. In the 5th chain, make a V stitch, DC, chain 1, DC. A double, chain 1 and a double. Now again repeat the stitch instructions. Chain 3, skip 4, single crochet in the 5th chain, chain 3, 3 DCs in the same chain, skip 4 and a V stitch, and so on. Okay, I shall also complete. Now after this V stitch, chain 3, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a single crochet in the 5th chain, chain 3, 3 doubles in the same chain, skip 4, and in the last chain place 2 double crochets. So this completes row 1. Row 1 is the foundation row. It is not a repeat row. For row 2, chain 3 and turn or make a double in the very first DC, that is a twisted double, and one more double crochet in the same DC, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, 3 DC in the next chain 3 loop. So single crochet, chain 3, 3 doubles, the same stitch, and then place a V stitch in the next V stitch, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, 3 doubles in the next, and skip the 3 chains and place 2 doubles in the last stitch here. That is the third chain of the turning chain. Pick up the 2 loops, pick up under the 2 loops. That will give a neat finish. So this completes row 2, and row 2 alone is the repeat pattern. So repeat the instructions for row 2 to the desired length of your project. I shall make one more time. So either chain 3 and turn, chain 3 counts as double crochet, or you can make a standing twisted double crochet as the beginning DC, one more DC in the next, chain 3, not in the next, in the same DC, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, 3 doubles in the chain 3 space. Then skip the 3 chains and place a V stitch in the chain 1 space of the V stitch. Chain 3, skip the stitches, and in the next chain 3 space, single crochet, chain 3, 3 doubles. And place 2 double crochets in the very last stitch. So beginning and the end of the row, we are placing 2 doubles. So this is a 1 row pattern repeat. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, you liked it. Please do comment with your queries in the comment section. I request you to subscribe and like the videos that we post, and do share them too. Click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. This particular pattern is a versatile pattern. It can be used for any project of our liking. Thank you once again. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.